Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to see how to send Bitcoin from a Revolut account to another wallet. And well, this is going to be very simple. The first step we're going to take is to log into our Revolut account, and well, we're going to tap here in the app, okay? We're going to tap here, this icon right here, and when we do, we'll see this options menu. We're going to focus here where it says crypto. We'll tap there, and well, once we do, what we're going to do here is look for the cryptocurrency we want to send, which in this case is Bitcoin. We're going to tap here on search, click it, and look for Bitcoin, okay? We type in Bitcoin, as you can see there, we type Bitcoin and select Bitcoin. All right then. Here, just to sum up again, we look for Bitcoin, click it, and on this screen we're going to tap send. Here. And when we tap send, here we can enter the wallet address of the other person who will receive the money, right? It's pretty simple. Once all these parameters are set, we confirm the order and send. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.